YouTube channel. How are you guys doing? My name is Phoebe Wills. If it's your first time here, you're welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, you're welcome as well. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I achieved this look. So basically I'm on natural hair and I always find a way to get my natural hair very sleek like this. As you can see, it's very sleek. It looks like my hair is not natural or looks like my hair is relaxed and all that, but I'm gonna be showing you guys in this video how to get your natural hair as sleek as this. But this is not my natural hair, obviously. So this is an extension, a ponytail, but I put my hair to be this sleek, then used an extension to just make it look longer. So yeah, that's what this video is gonna be. So if you're interested in seeing how I transform from my natural hair, I'll insert a picture to this, so stay tuned. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. So the first item I'm gonna be using is this Eco Styling Gel. This is how it looks. Next thing is this Amla Gold Hair Oil. I always like to oil my hair before I apply any gel, just so it doesn't have that white effect. This helps with growth and breakage as well. So yeah, so it's a good idea to use this. This is how it looks. Amla Gold Hair Oil. Next item is a brush. This is how it looks. It's a brush you can use to like make your hair lie down properly. Yeah, so I'm gonna be using this as well. This is how it looks. Next item, I'm gonna be using this brush as well. This brush, I'm gonna be using it for my baby hair, and this is how it looks. What did they call it again? I don't remember the name, but like I think it's a hair cutter, I'm not sure, but yeah, I'm gonna be using this. Then is a hair crunchy. I need hair crunchy to pack my hair together. So yeah, I'm gonna be using this hair crunchy. Next item, I have a ponytail extension. Yeah, so because my hair is short, I need like some kind of extension to just like make it look longer after I finish packing it up and slicking it backwards. So yeah, I'm gonna be using this ponytail. But let's get into the video. What I'm gonna be using this to divide my hair. Let me see. I need to make it into center pattern, so I will just go ahead and create the center pattern effect. You can see it clearly. Yeah, so we have the center pattern already. The next thing we're gonna be doing to try to put the hair down, you can make use of a comb to put it down. Like the comb is just to help you loosen up every kind of tangle. Hair all to the back. You're gonna go ahead, follow it up, put it down as you're trying to pack it. Yeah, so we already have our center pattern, as you can see. Okay, we're getting there. We are getting there. So you go ahead and pack it up. This is now where we use the brush. The brush is just to help us get the hair to lie down as much as possible. So you go ahead and use the hair crunchy to pack it up. Next thing, now we're gonna get the oil. We have to apply the oil before applying the gel. So you go ahead, apply apply the oil on your hair just to give it like more of a texture. Next thing you're gonna apply is the gel. So I'm gonna scoop the gel. This is what I'm using. Make sure you don't put a lot of gel on your hair. If you think the gel is not enough, you can add it up a little bit, because as you can see towards the back is not as slick as possible, so you have to add a little bit of gel. When you apply the first gel, you need to go in with the brush again just to make it lie down some more. So you go ahead and use the brush to get the hair to lie down, like so. Take some more gel, apply towards the end of your hair because of the way you packed the hair initially, so that side is not gonna get enough gel, so that's why you're opening it up again one more time so you can fit it in with a lot of gel. Okay, so once you're done with that, you already have a sleek ponytail, but we just need a little bit of finishing touches to it and we're gonna be done. So sleek. Okay, there's a little hair here that needs more gel, so we go in with more gel. Okay, we need to go ahead and use the hair crunchy one more time. Okay, this time around make it tight so no extra hair is left out. Okay, if I'm looking away, it's because I'm looking at the mirror. I have a mirror in front of me, so yeah, that's why. So now you can see we have a sleek ponytail. So that being done, we need to go ahead and put on the extra ponytail. This is how the ponytail looks. It's a yaki ponytail. It comes like this. This is actually available on Finado Global, so if you're interested, Finado Global on Instagram. I'm gonna put the name on the screen so you can go ahead and buy it. So all we need to do now is just to attach the ponytail to the hair. Let me go do my baby hair and I'll be right back. So this is the finished look. As you can see, the hair is all laid and it looks really gorgeous, and this is on a natural hair. You can imagine there is no heat, there is no blowout. This is just my natural hair and I made it look this sleek. Yeah, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if this video was helpful to you, and yeah, that's it basically. This is one of my to-go hairstyles because, as I told you from the beginning, my natural hair isn't so full, so it's very easy for me to actually put my hair in a ponytail. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.